can imagine that I'm driving my new X-Trail car. Hi, I'm Susan Vaikure, the first master and now the first car achiever of 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵 PNG Limited. I need to do this business because I have a problem with house, and when I look back, there's no one will come to help me to build a house. So I've been looking for opportunity, and the business came, and that's it. I don't have to wait, and I thank God for 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵. Like yes, it's helping me day-to-day living. I'm earning money because I need to aggressively do this business. Yes, I need a house, I need a car. I have a small car and it's so small, and I want a bigger car. So thank God for 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵. Right now I'm the one who will be driving this car. I thank God for this, and the next one is I will look forward to build my house. Okay, milak tok lo yumi yet ol Papua New Guinea. No God one pla Prime Minister blo yumi na governor blo yumi by putting one pla big pla office also na. And by talking to me also, money got sabe, no got sabe come together na working money na kai also me stop. When me looking also 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵, God and bringing me come lo country blow you me, so me like encouraging you pla. No can wasting time na stop house because me too and me market mama na you pla plant the line sabe lo me also. Okay, me no you pla Mary plant all driving carry go come you pla look me penisol. Me thinking when is something will make me na put it come lo shade, so 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵 come na put me come lo shade, and me encourage you pla also. I'm not asking sabe blow you. I'm not asking my English. I'm not asking my education paper blow you. I'm normal ordinary house mama you can work in because me working. Now me work lo sem company work lo pay me na company now I'm also him helping me to lo buy this car na me sa no I want the line by helping me to lo buy car sem. So me sa we God them good plan na God them selling 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵 come. You can come work him too na me stop to lo buy me helping you lo talk na you can build him too na. At least me play like him you by hamamas. Yeah, life it's not all about money. Life is meant to be happy. So I want you to be happy. You can also come and join the team because company is its infant stage. So we can all do together. Yeah, so you can achieve your dreams in this business, in this industry. I'm always telling my team that which company will send the directors into the company with opening a big office like this. And I'd like to thank the president and the owner of the companies where they come together to help PNG, where people like me, I can go out to talk to many people like me too and change their lives. So I thank God for this because they send the coaches into the country and we are not lost. We have the people where they can direct us and they can give us their knowledge. They can teach us many things where we can know what to do now. I'd like to share this that through our hard works, we will get this. So I'm encouraging all my team and the team members here in 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵. They have to aggressively do the business, so they all will have their car. Okay, now we like talking about starting law. Now you come inside, you work in this business. You have to believe in our products, believe in the company, believe in our system, and believe in yourself, and believe in God. You will do this business with us so that you will succeed, and we are sure you will be okay in everything you will do here because office is here and back office is with you. You will not miss out on anything because you will see every activity you do in your back office, and you cannot see the coaches here. You come the time you yet na you chuba looking. Emos real something all sapante mi pla. Company sapante mi pla, office sapante mi pla. So mi pla bahama mas one time walk one time you, so you can come na try na you to looking more than something like you. Give your best shot in this business because I know you will be the next one to drive your own car. 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵! 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵! 𝑉𝑖𝑻𝑼𝑍𝑵!